Hello friends, welcome back to Login Helps. Today's tutorial video is about logging into Facebook Lite app. To do so, you'll need to download Facebook Lite from your Play Store. So basically, Facebook Lite is an official Facebook client that lets you use this popular social network through a much lighter app that's better suited for low-power Android devices or ones with limited internet connections. So after the installation is complete, go to Facebook Lite app, click it open. Now to log into your Facebook Lite, you'll need your phone number or email address and your Facebook password. Type in your phone number or your email address and type your Facebook password. Make sure you've entered the correct password and click login button. And that is it. You are logged into Facebook Lite. It is a bit different than your regular Facebook app, but faster and easier to operate. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for more upcoming updates. I'll see you again with another video.